Okay, so what we are moving now is that is known as the chapter 3 in your textbook, and it is dealing with mixtures and their uses. Okay, the very first thing that we will deal is solutions. Okay, now remember what we said in terms of the matter? So we said that matter is composed by, like it's classified, because the whole point of science is to study the matter, to study how is the matter formed, what are those fundamental particles of matter. And then we said that matter, in order to simply study the matter, we classify it into pure substances and mixture, into two big groups, mixture. And then I don't want to say that we saw that there are too many on it, but then we subgroup them into elements and pure, compounds. And the elements were everything that were on the periodic table. And we did that. We said that the periodic table is sorted initially from the heaviest to from the lightest to the heaviest, and then in between them there are some glitches that it's not like that. However, then later on we learned how is it sorted, which is not the subject of Science 14. And compounds are atoms of the from the periodic table of the elements were bonded together to form a molecule, and then this molecule can be formed by the same type of atom, like in the case of H2O2 or so, but can be formed with different atoms like carbon dioxide, CO2, or carbon monoxide as CO, or other compounds. So those are bonded together elements, atoms from the elements of the periodic table. And then this is the one side of the big branch of matter. And then when we were talking about mixture, we saw that we have two types of mixture. Is that is known as the mechanical mixture, where you are able to see the parts that it is formed. So gravel and sand together. Cement is an example of a mechanical mixture. And then the other one is that is solution. Mechanical mixture is not the object of chemistry. However, solution is the focus that we will have for this part of the class. Now, when we are talking solutions, we are saying that solutions have two parts. One that it's known as the solvent, and the other one that it's called solute. When those two are combined together, then a solution is formed. Okay, so solute is a substance that you are dissolving into a solvent. An example of solute can be pretty much anything. So you can have, let's say, salt or sugar or concentrated fruits, like those uh, frozen fruits that you can buy at superstore or at any uh, food store. And then the best solvent and the most common solvent is water. What do? You take 1 or 2 spoons of sugar and salt, you put them into water, in a glass of water, and then you mix them together until the solution is formed. So something that you are not able to see. If I'm giving you, let's suppose, a glass of pure water and a glass of salty water, after the salt is dissolved, you cannot make a distinguish between them. And this is the difference between the mechanical mixture and the solution. Is it clear?